Hello all wonderful people out there. Welcome to my channel. This is Vaishali. Today I am here. You might be wondering why I am wearing this red dress, earrings and everything red to prepare for Christmas. You might also have prepared a lot. If not, let's prepare one Christmas ornament. So today I am going to show you this cute little birdie Christmas ornament. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe my channel. To get the notification, press bell icon. So let's, without wasting time, let's start. So to do this article, Christmas ornament, we need a clay, red color clay, white color clay, light sky blue color clay, some molding tool, scissors, golden thread and a wire and glue and acrylic kiln. So what I have done, I have taken this sky blue color clay and made a teardrop out of it. So once you do this teardrop, just bend the little portion to make its bird's tail like this. So once we bend this, take your molding tool and give little notch over here on the face and make small two holes to make its eyes, bird's eyes, and take your black color clay and make small circles to make its eyes. What I'll do now, I'll glue it both the side and place its eyes where I have made that holes. Now take your orange color clay and make small teardrop like this and press a little bit to make it big. Again you have to glue in the center of the face of the birdie, right in between the two eyes like this. Now your bird's beak is ready. Now what I'll do, I'll take a red color clay and knead it and again make a teardrop like this, and with the help of my thumb and forefinger I'll make a hollow, such kind of hollow thing, and make his Christmas hat, Christmas Santa hat. So we'll get a shape like this with a pointing. So my Christmas hat is ready here like this. What I'll do, I'll take a white color clay and roll it like this with the help of my palm and make a long string to make a furry effect to give its Santa hat a furry effect with the white color clay. So now we have to place it at the bottom of the cap. So I'll just glue that area and place that strip, white color clay strip, on this hat like this. Just make sure to see whether it fits or not. So I'll just cross check. Yes, it is exactly perfect. So I'll glue it to fix it on the bird's head. Twist its pointy, and now I will take some small ball of white clay and attach to the pointy to make the Santa hat's ball like this. So our birdie ornament, Christmas ornament is almost ready. So I'll take this wire This wire you can get, it will be available in the craft stores anywhere easily. So I'll glue that wire and fix it in the hat like this, and the extra clay I will wipe it off, and take your golden wire and insert inside that loop. Now take white acrylic color and take your ball tool and give a small dots like this. Here you go, your Christmas Santa Claus with hat Birdy ornament is ready. Let it dry overnight and tie it on the Christmas tree. I hope you like this project and you also try to make this, because it is very cute and beautiful. Please watch my next video like this. Bye till now.